Pleating boards are useful when you have a lot of pleating to do. You don't have a lot of time to wait for it to be professionally done, and you don't have a lot of money to have it professionally done. This is a pleating board that is commercially available. It's made of a very stiff fabric, and you can see that it is pleated the way you would want your fabric to be pleated. The benefit of making your own is that you can make the pleats any size, any depth that you would like them to be. So when you pleat it up, there's 5/8 of an inch fabric inside and 3/8 of an inch fabric showing. I printed this up on the printer, but you can draw it out yourself. You need to make sure that the width of your pleating board is a little bit wider than the fabric you're going to use. Mark out the lines that you want, and then score them with a ruler and a wheel. And then fold on your score lines. Press the fabric flat. Press the pleating board to get a nice crisp fold. Pin the fabric and the pleating board to the ironing table, making sure that the fabric is perpendicular to the folds on the pleating board. And then fold each pleat into the pleats on the board. And press. To continue pleating, pull the fabric out of the pleats that have already been pressed. Lay the last pleat of the fabric into the first pleat of the pleating board and continue. Remove it from the pleating board and put it back down on the ironing table, all closed up. Try to avoid creating spots like this where the pleats are uneven.